this side, how you feeling? On this side, make some noise. Now everybody from the front to the back, make some noise. This is Modest at 10 a.m. On the djembe, who's our drummer, Mr. Carl Young on the bass, Dave Schul on the guitar. It's a really difficult time in our country now. Economically, it's a really hard time. And when it's hard economically at the top, the people at the bottom are the ones who suffer the most. That's why I want to invite you to come tomorrow to the Herbst Theater in San Francisco for our first annual Power to the Peaceful Care Conference, which is a place where you can learn how to have a direct effect on the lives of others, especially those who are the poorest among us. And it starts in the morning with yoga and Brazilian dance and capoeira, and then at 2 o'clock the conference will begin. And then tomorrow night I'm going to be doing an acoustic performance there with a bunch of friends. There'll be some great dancers and other speakers there too, so come on out to the Herbst Theater tomorrow. But I'm really happy to be here in the park amongst all these beautiful trees, and especially to be a Northern Californian on a day like this. In Northern California, we have the tallest trees in North America, the Sequoia redwood tree. And if you go into the forest, you speak to somebody who knows about those trees, or if you see one that's ever been falled over, you'd notice that it has a very short root system. The roots only go down about 10 feet deep, and the tree might be 200 feet tall. You wonder how it is that a tree like that could stand up so tall in all this wind and all these clouds and rain and snow and everything else. And the reason that they're able to do it is that the roots of all the trees grab onto the roots of the other trees. And that's how they're able to stand so strong. And right now is the time in our country when we all need to grab onto the roots of those of us who need help. And that's what this day is about, and that's what this song is about. So go ahead and grab on to somebody. Wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. Say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today, and I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the times you're in. So I jump back in where I learned to swim, try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine going down. That's the sound of sunshine going down. Soon to shine. Yeah. I saw my friend Bobby, he said, "What's up, man? You got a little work or 20 million?" I opened up my hand, he said, "I'm glad to see they can take away my job, but not my friends, you see. Here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine going down. That's the sound of sunshine going down. So the moon can shine." Put your hands together now. We say, that's the sound of the sun going down, when the people of the world start to paint the town. A day that's long is a day complete, so kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing, every single soul needs a little releasing. They say that money makes the world go round, but only one thing will help the sun go down. Yes, sweet, sweet love will help the sun go down. It's true, it's true, it's true. That's the sound of sunshine. Let me hear. Going down. That's the sound of sunshine going down. And when the sun goes down, we all say hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. All the people say hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. All the people say that's the sound of sunshine. sound of sunshine going down. That's the sound of sunshine going down. I want to hear everybody sing it now. That's the sound of sunshine. That's the sound of sunshine going down. That's the sound of sunshine going down, so the moon can shine on you, so the moon can shine